This is another cooking video on Eric C. Productions. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified of my latest videos that are posted during the week. Thanks for watching, and now back to cooking with Eric C. Productions. Okay, welcome back to another cooking video with Eric C. Productions, and today I am going to be doing fish tacos. So for me, this is my version. I'm sure there's plenty of other versions of fish tacos out there. You can probably search them up on YouTube, but this is mine. So what we're going to need first is we're going to need cheese. This is the fresh crumbling cheese, queso fresco. You're going to need onion, cilantro. You're going to need fish sticks. These are simple. I just get these at the store. Cabbage, oil, and you can use flour tortillas if you want, but I like to use corn tortillas, the yellow corn. So let's begin. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to start with fish sticks. So I'm going to put the fish sticks in the fryer. You can bake it if you want, but I choose to just do the frying because it's a little bit faster. And it tastes a little bit better too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fry it for about, I want to say 5 minutes. I'm going to go 5 minutes on the frying part. So let's time it. While I'm frying these, I'm going to heat up the skillet and heat up the tortillas to go with it too while we do that. Okay, so what I did with the cabbage, I already cut them up. So you minced it up. What I did with the cilantro, if you want to pronounce it that way, and the onions, I cut them up into small pieces so that I can use that to add as pretty much like garnish. And then I got the Mexican crumbling cheese, and that's going to be in the actual taco, okay? And then I didn't say this before, but if you want, you can add a lemon, cut it lemon half, and kind of like put that over the fish once you put them in the taco itself, okay? While I wait for the fish to fry, I also do tartar sauce. And yeah, you can buy it over the counter, or I mean over at the store, you can buy the bottle of it. But I just choose to make my own because sometimes, you know, maybe I run out. So this is a simple tartar sauce that I'm going to make. So this is pretty much a video within a video, okay? So I'm going to do... So I don't really measure it, so what I do is I take a couple spoonfuls of the the relish, sweet relish, and then I add mayo to it. And then just a little bit of lemon juice. There we go. That's it. And that is exactly what tartar sauce is. Sweet relish, lemon juice, and mayo. So I'm going to mix that up, and you can see it after I mix it. And after stirring it up, there you go. That's what it is. That's what it looks like. And that is tartar sauce. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make the tacos now. So we're going to assemble it. I put 2, maybe 3 if you really want to. So what I do is I add a little tartar sauce to this. Add a little bit of crunch to it as well. Take some of the white cheese as well. There you go. Just add a little lemon, squeeze a little lemon on it. There you go. So see, there you go. Simple. It takes longer to fry it than it is to actually probably eat it too. So I put 2 in again. Last one. There you go. That's all you need to do. And there you go. And that is how you make fish tacos the way I do it for my kids and my wife and my family. So I hope you like it. Please leave a like, a suggestion, comment, and thank you for watching. Hey, if you just watched my video, thanks for watching. Hit that like button and please subscribe to Eric C. Productions.